Okay, here we go. New turbo. Go, maybe I need a lower table. Anyway, let's give it a... Here's the box. One thing I did notice, I'm not happy about. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I'm hoping everything's in there. So let's find out. It's taped well. Wow, it taped it a lot better than the core I sent in. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's in it. Pain in the ass, isn't it? Okay, we got Super Lube. Ba, ba, ba. Packing. More packing. 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 This looks like packing. We got deflated packing. Sure, that was probably inflated when he sent it. We got bubble wrap. More packing. More packing. We're getting down to it. Okay, we got return line. Actually, that's pretty fancy stuff. Rubber with a cloth on it. That's nice. Nice. Okay, what else we got? I'll put my Super Lube down. What do we got? I assume that is... It's not easy doing this. I got the camera on a tripod. It'd probably be easier if I had it strapped to my chest, but I don't. So we're going to go with what we've got. That looks like it holds the horn on. Or maybe that's exhaust side. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Looks like we got all the flange gasket, O-ring, manifold. Whoop, there we go. There's everything in that package. Nice little kit. I like it. More packing. All the clips. All the return lines. Oh, even comes with copper washers. That's nice. O-rings are in there. Yes, I don't know if he buys these or puts them together. If he's putting them together, he's doing a hell of a job. Packing crap. Look at that. Wow. Industrial shredder, I guess. Okay, that's the end of the box. Oh, nope. Uh-oh. We got one loose. Better check my package. I don't see any holes. I don't see any holes in the package, but we got one. Is that even the same? I don't know. This is stamped out. I don't know if you can see it. If it'll focus. There's a ridge on it on one side. Weird. I don't see it on these. These look like regular washers in here. So I don't know what that... And it looks like the middle. Let's see if we can... I don't know if you can see it or not. It looks like the middle is not round. I don't know if it's coming through on camera or not, but it looks like there's notches cut out. So we'll set that aside. Packing material. Okay, now we're on to the main show. Getting this without hurting. Double bagged. Double bagged. Okay. Double bagged. I see grease in the bag. Oh, I smell grease in the bag. It's quite the smell. Yeah, leaked a little bit. Okay, so that was the exhaust side. There's the new. Oh, good, I'm in frame. Here's the new exhaust wheel. For those that don't remember, here's the old one. Wow, it actually looks bigger. Must be because it was broken. So there's the new one and the old one. So there's that. And, oh boy, there's grease everywhere. Okay, let's turn it over. It says International and Garrett on the turbo itself. Looks like, yeah. Okay. Let's take a look in there. You can see on that vein there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it looks to me like it's laser engraved. And I believe that says Wonder Wheel on it. Let's take a look in the. Oh, brand new 530. Stinks. Hang on a second. I'm going to just verify that under a magnifying glass. I gotta pause for a second. Okay. Yeah. Getting old. Can't see like I used to. That says on that vein, it looks like it's either laser engraved or painted really, really, really small. WWIDI, which stands for Wonder Wheel IDI, which was extra. And the gentleman that rebuilt this for me put it in there for me for free. All I had to do was ship it to him, which I thought was pretty sweet deal. So there's our new turbo. Now our old turbo is on its way back to the shop where this came from, so that he can reuse some of the pieces. I think he'll be able to save this. I know he'll save the plate. I know the I don't even know what you call this thing, this air pipe snail looking thing. I'm sure that was fine on the one I sent back. And well, the one okay, that's the downside, right? Here's the inlet. I was surprised because this is threaded, so you can either bolt the flange on the top like mine is, and hopefully there's a gasket in there for it, or screw right into it, which is interesting. So here's where we are. I don't have an exhaust housing yet. That's on its way. Mine was so screwed up it wasn't savable, so I sent that back, and he's sending me a new one. And once I get all the pieces here, we will start putting it back together and putting it back in the truck. I guess we'll get it. So, like I said before, I really appreciate it if you subscribe and share this, and throw some comments down the bottom. I'm told that the comments drive the video up higher in the search algorithms or whatever. So if you can throw a couple comments, tell me how much I suck. I don't care. Whatever. Comment's a comment. And subscribe, share, whatever. I'd like to get this particular playlist up to the levels where it's monetized again. And I'm hoping that eventually I will recoup my loss for this, because this was not cheap. All right. See you in the next one.